And now for the adventures of astronaut Andy. Andy was flying his spacecraft from one end of the galaxy to the other, from planet to planet, collecting planet rocks to bring back to the Earth to analyze. One day, as he was approaching Saturn, he saw something he had never seen before. It was a wide rectangle, and on the rectangle were printed a series of numbers. There were some numbers missing. And as Andy looked at it, he thought, well, I better get around this and get to Saturn and get those Saturn rocks. But as he tried to go around it on the left, the rectangle moved to the left. As he tried to go around it to the right, the rectangle moved to the right. Andy realized he had to get past this challenge by putting the missing numbers where they go. All of a sudden, Andy remembered, I've seen this before. I remember this in kindergarten. This is a number line. And I think I have to put the missing numbers where they go. So Andy looked at the first empty spot. It was just after the 2 and before the 4. What should go there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. So he announced 3. And all of a sudden, a 3 appeared on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when he announced 7, he saw a 7 appear on that empty spot. Okay, one left. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when he announced 10, a 10 appeared on the last spot. Oh, I see. A number line helps me to count and helps me to know what numbers come before and after the other numbers. Let me count from 1 to 10 and all the way back down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just then, the numbers begin to separate and they disappeared. All of a sudden, Andy had full access to Saturn. He went on to Saturn, landed, got the Saturn rocks, and went back to Earth. Andy, once again, was successful, and he raised one fist in victory. Andy the astronaut had done it again.